So I think almost all of y'all have commented about me needing exhaust tips. As you can see, there's no tips on here at all yet, because I got a set of these offset and slanted exhaust tips. And this episode, we are going to get these bad boys installed. So let's get ready to go from this to this. Oh wait, that didn't work. So the first thing that I have to do, I'm going to loosen up the exhaust clamps, and I'm going to remove this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut it off right here. Voila. Alright, so this does not fit. Part that I just cut off, I'm going to use it as like a slip spacer adapter, whatever. This will slide in. So this basically is how it's going to look. It's going to sit somewhere in there. Has a little bit of poke out, and you can see them really good from the side. And as you can see from the bottom, with my sleeve set up, I said got the sleeve slipped over, and then the exhaust will go in there. Let me get a couple of tacks in here to kind of finalize where it's going to sit. I got the titanium Harbor Freight 125 out here. I got everything set up, got my glove, got my helmet on. So I think after I tack it, I think I'm going to need to take a hammer and kind of beat those in a little bit so that it sits a little bit more flush. The camera died last night, but here we are. This is how it looks from the side, the poke from the top, and how it looks from the back. So I went ahead last night and did my little welding. I'm going to take some silver paint, and I'm going to paint it so that it looks nice when installed. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the driver's side, but big difference from the 2.5 inch to the dual tips. So quad tips, here we come again. So I got both sides done, wrapped up, ready for paint. And I'm just painting this basically, well, number one, to hide the ugliness, but most importantly, to keep it from rusting. So what I'm using is this silver engine enamel with ceramic. So I'm going to do 2 light coats and a heavy coat. I'll be back in the morning when it's installed and ready to go. Alright guys, so the tips, they on, and to me they look pretty good. So the hacked up, unhacked Corksport exhaust with the AliExpress diffuser, the MV tuning rear side fangs, and the Sunrise tuning duckbill. You put that all together. Oh, and with the eBay LED rear bumper lights, you put it all together, you got a pretty good looking ass on this thing right here. So I will be doing a walk around video soon to talk about all the mods that I have, but for right now, this is it. So thank y'all again for looking at another video. Think, build, enjoy. And until next time, peace.